Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my bread using the bread machine. We need sugar, egg, water, salt, dry yeast, flour, margarine, and pig milk. Here is the bread making machine. It does everything for you, as you can see. This does everything for you. I'm gonna add a cup of water. I'm gonna add an egg. Have a cup of sugar. A tablespoon of dry yeast, instant dry yeast. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, half a step beyond our door. I'm gonna add in 3 cups of flour. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. 3 cups in. I'm gonna add powdered milk. I'm using pig milk for this recipe. 3 tablespoons. Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, half a step beyond our door. And lastly, I'm gonna add butter. This is margarine. 2 tablespoons of margarine. At this point, the machine will do its work. It will mix together and form a dough and bake. I'm setting up the machine for 2 hours 50 minutes. In 2 hours 50 minutes, the bread will be done. It's mixing and mixing. This will go on for about an hour and 45 minutes. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, mixing. See the stuff the world has got in store. This does everything for you. You just have to wait. Come back after 2 hours 15 minutes and check. dough is forming. As you can see. Wow, the dough is almost done. I will let the dough rest, then I will come back later to show you how far. As you can see, 1 hour 45 minutes later, this is how it looks like. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. I will let it rest and it will start baking pretty soon. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. And 2 hours 15 minutes later, our bread is done. Look, it looks yummy. Very easy. I make this bread when I don't feel as to make the normal bread, so this is easy for me. I'm gonna cut to show you how it looks inside. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, leave a comment down below. If you need the machine, let me know. I will send the link to you. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever.